everyone, it's Katie Myers, CEO of Sierra Conversations, and I just lost sunlight. So I'm going to move over here. There we go. So that's a little bit better. So hi everyone, Katie Myers, CEO of Sierra Conversations, and it is Talk It Out Tuesday. It is Casual Tuesday because I am just not feeling it today. Anybody else ever feel that way? Of course you have. Being an entrepreneur, we're running on all cylinders all the time. We're trying to be at 100%. And sometimes our bodies just say, hey, slow down a little bit. I need some time to rest. So this is for all of you that are coming off of the holidays. You have gotten the crud, as I call it. And no matter what stage of the crud you are in, whether you're just getting it, sorry, you're in the middle of it, or you're at the tail end where I am. I just want to share with you what I do when I'm just not feeling it, but I still need to make the cash register ring. So a couple of things here. First things first, it is never too late. It is never too late to pick up where you left off and start to do your follow-up. If you are not 100%, nobody on the other end of the phone is going to want to basically, let's put it this way. If you're not excited, they're not going to be excited. Okay. So, first, take care of you. If you needed to take some time, like I did today, I went into the office, I got done what I absolutely had to get done, and then I rescheduled everything else. So I'm sorry on those that I rescheduled on. And Talk It Out Tuesday is something that I have to do because it's consistency, and I want to share the good, the bad, and the ugly about what it's really like to be an entrepreneur. So take some time for yourself. Now, if there are those things that you need to do to keep the cash register ringing, such as follow up and making phone calls and filling your programs, you can start by just doing the passive pieces. For example, you can do your emails. You can do database management. You can be making sure that you're finding a place to follow up with those people, but give yourself some time and know that it is never too late. It is never too late to pick up where you left off. They don't know what point of the touch strategy they're in with you. Only you know that. So if you are needing to make the cash register ring, first thing you need to do is you need to take care of you. You need to take a breath. You need to take a few hours. You need to take that nap, and you need to find some time to just settle and recoup and breathe. Then the second thing is there are these awesome tools that we have that can help us automate some of these strategies. So utilizing your CRM, your customer relationship manager, for example, I use All Pro Web Tools. Many of you know that. You can schedule emails out on your behalf. So you can spend, maybe an hour putting it together instead of doing one-off emails. You can also use awesome systems for your external marketing and sales, like social media, using things like Hootsuite to schedule your social media posts. Finding those people that can help you when you aren't feeling your best, aka virtual assistants. Shout out to Assist for the Win, Abby Harrison, for being mine. But take some time to recoup for you and figure out what are those things, because we are our businesses. So we have to have some automation. We have to have some things in the background that allow us to take a breath. So take some time for you, find the tools to get it automated, and then pick up when you're feeling better. So that's all I have for you. That's about all I can give you right now. So I hope you all are having a great day. I hope you're recovering for those of you that have this thing that sucks. And I will see you all soon. Have a great week, and I'll see you next week on Talk It Out Tuesday. Bye.